Hey there, can you give a basic rundown of what malware is? Let me explain how. Malware means harmful software or code designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access into a website or server. Attackers can use malware to hijack a website, steal information, redirect traffic to spam, or infect site visitors. These intentionally harmful pieces of code can cause serious harm to a website, impact revenue, and damage brand reputation. You might also hear website malware, conditional redirects, malicious JavaScript, backdoors, hack tools, SEO spam, DDoS, malicious redirects, hack, injection, defacements. It's kind of like viruses and unhealthy bacteria that wreak havoc on the body and are hard to get rid of. Do you have any website-related technical jargon that you need help explaining to clients? Leave them in the comments and we'll try to answer. Thanks for watching.